What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video on showing how to get the bearings out of your gear shift lever or your foot brake lever on your motorcycle. This is specifically on the Duke 390. I had an accident and I bent this lever up, so I wanted to grab the bearings out of it. I wasn't really finding many videos on YouTube that was helping out, so I came up and I'm just going to do my own. For the purposes of this video, I've just pressed one of the bearings back in. I already took it out, but I just want to show you guys how to do it. It's real simple. Take a socket of the appropriate size. It's going to fit around the casing of this bearing. And then take a large wrench. Specifically, I grabbed a 22. And what it is it's going to fit around this, and it's going to allow the bearing to go straight through. And then just slap it in your vise and press it out. It's real simple. It's a lot easier than any of the videos I found on YouTube. So just wanted to go ahead and show you guys real quick. Just check it, make sure everything's going through. And it should just push right through. Real simple, no damage to the bearing, comes right out. That's it.